Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be talking about cr sound. And our animal friend today is an insect, and the name of this insect is cricket. The name of this insect is cricket. Cr as in cricket. Cr as in cricket. Alright, if you're just joining us, this is Edu Smart Pulse TV, where learning is fun. All we do here is sounding, blending, and reading of words. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Turn on all post notifications so that you'll be the first to notify about my videos when I post. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. We go into the sound cr, cr as in cricket. Crickets are small jumping insects known for their chirping sounds, long antennae, and strong hind legs. Just as you can see on my board here, there is a picture of a cricket here. They belong to the family of Guillidae and are closely related to grasshoppers and katydids. Crickets are found in the field, forests, and even in homes in warm environments all over the world. In a warm environment, in a warm home all over the world. That means you can see cricket anywhere in the world. Alright, here are the key facts about cricket. Habitat: live in the grassland, under the logs, inside houses, and forests. That is where they make as their habitats. Alright, the diet they eat: that various insects. They eat plants, fungi, small insects, and organic matter. Their lifespan is usually 2 to 3 months. That's what they stay before they die. So they live not longer than 2 to 3 months. The sound: the male chirps by rubbing their wings together to attract the female. An interesting behavior about cricket is most active at night. That is where you will hear the sound of the cricket. You can hear the sound of the cricket at night. Their chirping rate can increase with temperature, used to estimate warmth. Once everywhere is warm, their chirping sound increases. Some species burrow under the ground, while others live above the ground in grasses or shrubs. Why cricket matter in nature? Cricket helps with decomposition by feeding on dead plant materials. They are important food source for birds, reptiles, frog, and even humans in some culture. Yeah, fry it with salt, or you can fry it with oil and eat it. It's a very proteinous food. Cricket are often used in scientific research and even in pets as food. Here are the fun and educational uses of cricket. Many people keep cricket as feeder insects for reptiles or amphibians. Edible crickets are growing in popularity as a sustainable protein source. Like I said earlier, that is a proteinous food. Kids love learning about cricket sounds, life cycle, and insect anatomy. This is all about cricket. This is all about cricket. That brings us to the sound we have cr. The sound of today cr. Alright, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Turn on all post notifications so that you'll be notified about my videos when I post. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. All we do here is sounding and blending and reading of words. These are words with cr sound. These are words with cr sound. Let's go. Number 1, cr. Ik, et, cr. Cr, ikri, cr, ik, creek, cr, ik, e, cricket, cr, ik, et, cricket. Number 2, cr, ab, cr, a crab, cr, ab, crab. S, ikr, eat, s, I, see, s, ikr, seek, s, ikr, I, secret, secret, s, ikr, eat, secret. Number 4, acre, us, acre, 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 acro, Across, across the bridge. Up, cr, up, crop. Alright, this brings us to the end of today's video. Please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a share, comment, subscribe to this video, turn on all post notifications so that you'll be the first to notify about my videos when I post. Remember, all we do here is sounding and blending and reading off words. Today we have cr sound. You can go back to my previous video and check out the sounds that we have done in the previous video and join us immediately. Cr sound. Alright, looking for an online tutor? I'm right here. All you need to do is locate my WhatsApp number on the description of this video and also on the comment section of this video. Do well to chat me up so that we can book a date with your kids. And I still remain EduSmart Pals TV. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.